Hello. Today we have a couple of quick product updates for our Google Analytics Classic reporting app. So we updated the e-commerce funnel to include some optional breakdown dimensions down here. So this is again based on the Universal Analytics interface. If you were used to this in Universal Analytics, we added this here. So by default, it's going to break it down by mobile, by device category. So it's mobile, desktop, and tablet if you have any tablet traffic. It's got the same dimensions that you see up here, just broken down by this device category. Cool. You can select from these different ones. So new versus returning is another common one. You can do channel grouping, session campaign, etc. All here, this is exportable to Excel, just like all of our tables. Right? All of that available now in the e-commerce funnel report. We also added a new report for search usage. So you can see here, it reports the difference between non-search and search users. Now, important to note, this is search users who use your site's search. That's the difference here. It's not Google Ads search traffic or Google organic search traffic. It's people who used your site search. So you can see here, it's got user type, people who didn't use search versus people who did use search. It's got the number of users, the purchases, and the conversion rate. With this as well, you can add a secondary or breakdown dimension. Here, we added device category, like so. So you can see the devices. You could also look at search term. So this is what people are actually searching for on your site. So usually it's particular products like this, but you can see that, again, exportable to Excel. Finally, on all the reports, we added this little help tab. So if there's anything about that report, if you have any questions about that report, you can see it here. For instance, you can see we can only pull 15 search terms for this at the moment. And we can't add revenue yet. We need Google Analytics to update their API for that to work. Anyway, I hope you find these new features useful. Of course, feel free to send us an email or drop in the comments any requests you have for custom reports. And we will add that to our backlog and add those reports. Thanks.